What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we gotta go over a fairly new crypto. It's been out for about a year now, and this crypto is Harvest Finance, or other words, Farm. So the price for Farm right now is $216 at $128 million market cap. And as you can see over here with the volume, $29 million inside the last 24 hours. But something big has just now happened inside of Farm. So as you can see here inside of Farm right here, right past July 29th, it just had a soar inside of its price. And it was because none other than, boom, we have the coin market cap listing right over here. So that's very good news that it's now listed on coin market cap and on Coinbase. So this is pretty big right here, because think about Coinbase. Every time anything gets listed on Coinbase, it always starts to shoot up straight to the moon. When it happened with Dogecoin, it happened with Dogecoin, and then Shiba Inu, it tried, but then they kind of failed getting everything listed on Shiba Inu or on Coinbase with Shiba Inu. But anyways, it's now on Coinbase. So now that Farm is here, there's going to be so much more money flowing into Farm. A lot of institutional investors watch Coinbase and watch what they list. So this is really going to push a lot of money through Farm. So good news there. And as you can see here with Farm, there is 9,189 holders. And total right now, the max supply is 633,000 Farm tokens. So not million, not billion, not trillion, not quadrillion like the rest of these tokens, but 633,000 tokens. That's not that many tokens. If you really think about that, at the price of Farm is what, $216? And when it first started, it was like $1,600. This token has the potential to be 10K, 50K, 100K. This token has the potential to do all of that. Look, that jump that we just now had, that 174% jump, was so small inside the wider scheme of things. Like it's worth way more way back then. As you can see, this 174% jump right here just does nothing. It's like a little dent inside of this chart. So there's a lot of potential inside of Farm. Farm could literally get to 10K, 50K, 100K. Farm could do all of that, right? So anyways, Farm has a lot of potential. And like I said over here, 9,189 people. Let's refresh it, see if there's still the same amount. Oh, we just now lost the holder right there. So yeah, 9,188. But yeah, Farm has a lot of money flowing through it. But let's keep on looking through the stuff that we have here. So the July 2021 recap of Farm. Let's go over that. They got the Coinbase listing. They got the V2 launch, the Farm V2. If you don't know what that is, look at this. This is the new Farm. This is the previous Farm. It's like a DeFi app, just like all these other things. So I like how this looks, because it brings me back to the old internet days when things used to look like this. And I just really like this look right here. This is what you get like back in the days. Now we got stuff like this, which looks pretty good as well. This is more visually appealing, but the other one is more technically appealing. But anyways, this is a pretty nice DeFi app that they got here. They got the little booster here if you want to go ahead and do your staking and stuff like that. So Farm is also, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum Smart Chain, all that. But anyways, let's move on to our next thing with the 127% Coinbase listing, and why this is so significant. Because remember, this is just a few days of it being on Coinbase. We're not even talking about like way in the future. We have so much stuff that we've accomplished here with Farm, right? So the next thing, let's keep going over this. The Coinbase has listed the FET, whatever that is. I don't even know what it is, but blah 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 blah. And then all the way here at the bottom, Coinbase listing Farm. So Farm 127% and now at 174% up. There's just so much gains to be made here on Coinbase. But anyways, Harvest Finance is a yield aggregator similar to projects like Yearn.finance and Convex Finance. However, it struggled to keep up with its competitors since it suffered a flash loan attack in October 2020. That was the huge drop that we've seen from $1,600 down. But anyways, it has a lot of potential now that it's coming back, and now it's on Coinbase. So that they had to re-audit it, they had to redo all that, make sure it was recertified and secured. As you can see here, a hacker stole $24 million from the Farm's Bitcoin and stablecoin pools, draining the protocol of $400 million worth of liquidity and causing the Farm price to crash by 60%. The protocol currently holds around $360 million in total value locked, but at its peak, it had attracted over $1 billion in liquidity, and that had brought the price all the way up to about $30,000. So You got to think that was a huge price drop there. But now they got their business back on point. They're like, we're not getting hacked no more. They got everything on point right now. So good news there with Farm. Hopefully they never get hacked again. But yeah, you never know with this type of stuff. But anyways, Harvest Finance crypto is a risk worth taking. This is what I was saying. It really has a lot of potential. So it's one of the fastest moving altcoins, they're saying. And now that we're on Coinbase, you know, that's always going to be on everyone's mind right now. But yeah, they're saying it's the next cryptocurrency to explode. I mean, when you got DeFi stuff like this type of stuff really takes off. So I really have some high conviction in this. So why Harvest Finance crypto is rising now, blah, blah, blah. They're going to talk about all this stuff. But the main thing, you already know, Coinbase. So other recent things that they also added on Coinbase, they added Fetch, Polymath Network, Paxos, Standard. So those are probably going to start exploding as well. So we need to watch out for those. But yeah, this whole Coinbase thing is going crazy with it right now. Watch when it starts to get added to all the other major exchanges. We're going to see the same thing happen. So anyways, what is Harvest Finance crypto and how does it work? We already talked about how it was, you know, kind of like staking and stuff, but over here we'll read their description. Before assessing Harvest Finance's crypto's price prediction, you might want to familiarize yourself with the crypto to see if it fits your investment taste. Harvest Finance operates like a crypto asset management platform. So that's very specific. It operates like a crypto asset management platform. So it aims to make it easy for beginner and expert investors alike to maximize earnings in their crypto holdings. So Farm token is Harvest Finance's official cryptocurrency. So Farm's the token, Harvest Finance is the DeFi app. So you got to know that it gives holders the right to participate in decision making at Harvest Finance by voting for platform changes. Also, Farm token holders receive a share of the fees generated from Harvest Finance operations. So, you know, that's an automatic thing. You're automatically staking it just by owning it. So that's another really good point about Harvest Finance. So anyways, a lot of people are predicting that Harvest Finance goes to the moon, you know, $2,000, $230K by 2025, they're saying. And it can definitely hit 100K by 2025 as well. So we just got to, you know, watch out for it. Make sure you know when you want to get in, when you want to get out, if you even want to get out. But this definitely seems very promising. And like Elon Musk always says, it seems potentially promising. So we could definitely see some rises there. But anyways, it's now listed on DBank. So now we're on the DBank DeFi app. And then you got over here, we are on Bancor. So the fertile fields for Harvest. Bancor has the deepest farm pool inside the decentralized market. So anyways, they're saying they have the deepest farm pool. So I guess you can be the judge of that. I think they actually do have the deepest. But anyways, look at this right here, the DBank. And then the last thing, boom, we have the collaboration here. So there's a lot going on with Harvest Finance, and they're really doing lots of stuff in the crypto space. So I just had to come here with all the info. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy Farm. I'm not telling you to go buy Harvest Finance. I'm just telling you this is something that could potentially 10x. It could potentially 50x or even 100x. And right now at $214, it was previously already priced really high before that, like $1,600 before the whole drop came. But now it's priced at $218. Just think, they said by 2025, $30,000, and from $218 to $30,000, you know, it could be the next Bitcoin type thing. So that's what's really happening, and it's really big inside of the whole DeFi space. So you just need to keep your eyes on this, because I really do believe this has a lot of potential. But remember, none of this is financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.